Hi guys, Julie. Welcome back to Annoying Red Kids channel. Today, me and my person,
person.
bro. Okay, we will be showing each of our fidgets. We'll show our fidgets to you, and then I'll go first, and then she'll go second about what they do, and then what they are, and then first we'll count our fidgets. So I'll go first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 fidgets.
I'll be right back.
She'll be right back. I'll put mine away. Okay. This is hard. Hey. Julie, you stored something from me.
I didn't.
This. It's mine.
That was mine.
This is mine.
No,
You never really traded?
No, I traded it to you, and then we did the pick thing, and I closed my eyes and picked that.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I did.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Be right back. What?
Well, he's gone. I want all my fidgets. One. I'll just do this when you're gone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Julie? No, my iPad was.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Guys,
17,
my sister is going to
18,
do this video by herself for a little, so
19,
because I have to do something
20,
for a long time. Bye. I'll be back in like a couple
21,
minutes.
22,
Yes.
23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 28, 9, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 5, 36. There you go. So now I'm going to say, first I'm going to do fidgets. So this fidget is called, well, I forgot what it's called, but what you do is you throw it in the air and then like it turns to the yellow side, but this one is kind of broken, so it doesn't really work anymore, so that's broken, so yeah. And then this is a squishy, and this is called a squishy, and it's squish. There. Okay, next fidget is this, I also forgot what it's called, like it stretches. It's kind of squishy too. And then this, I also forgot what it's called, but like, it's not really stretchy, but like, you can turn it into like, you can like twist it and stuff. And this is called a pop it, and it pops. This is also called a pop it, and it also pops. Well, they're the same thing. So yeah. This is called a bouncy ball and a bounce, but I know I'm in carpet, but It's a bit bouncing. Where's the bounce block? See, that's how it bounces. This is called I forgot what it's called. Like, it's squishy and you put it on your pencils. He does those little hole. Okay. This is also called a poppet and it also pops. This is called a squishy. This is a hamburger squishy.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, you guys might have heard my little weirdo.
I am not your little sister. I am your older sister. You are in 4th grade. You are 7.
Alright,
I am in 3rd grade and I am not. Get your hand off me.
Okay. I'm actually going to do this. Okay,
I'm not a
so
weirdo.
this is a ball. This is.
I just said that.
Shut up.
No,
Can't.
they're bored right now.
Bro,
They're
shut
angry
up.
at you.
Shut up. Okay.
I'm so angry at you right now. Because I already said that.
I don't care. Shush. Okay, so this
Wow,
is
so
an
much
ice cream
mad.
puppet that nobody gave me. I got myself.
Hey, I gave you that to you. It is a cupcake.
Okay, so
It's a
it's a
cupcake.
puppet that is a cupcake. Yeah, it does a lot of stuff. And this is a puppet ball that I actually got from Goodwill.
Goodwill, because I get two girlfriends.
It's so
You
sweet.
literally left
This-
to go there even though it's a
this-
thrift store.
Okay. And I got this hamburger squishy.
I already told that to them.
Okay. Then we have this weird ball that does not
that
change
to
colors
them.
at all. And I got this
I already told that to
dinosaur
them.
puppet that nobody cares about.
Yeah, no one cares about because you got it from Triton and that is so rude.
I didn't get it from Triton.
Then why is it a dinosaur?
I got the glow up one.
Like, why is it a dinosaur?
No, I wasn't trying to hit you. I was trying to open that.
Well, I can just open it for you.
Okay, back to I have a red stupid thing.
It's a bendy man.
Yeah. And I have this weird guy that can bend.
It's a bendy man. That's what it's called.
And then I have this stretchy thing. It's a Spider-Man, and then he has a big yacht.
I know it has a big ego just like you.
And I have this red noodle that nobody gave me.
It's
though.
not even. I gave it to you. I bought it with my money. It was
Okay.
$1.
And then I got this stupid unicorn thing. which
But
is
Vincent
dumb.
found it on a hike. It was so dirty and was touching it.
And I got this thing that my weird brother gave me. By the way, he is weird.
He's a government and he's a Karen. It's true though. He's such a Karen.
Yeah, it is. Okay. And so I got this weird keychain thing.
It's a bracelet.
It's not actually. It's a keychain that I made with my kid. I'll show you it at the end of the
Kiddo.
video. And then I got this scrunchy bracelet thing that
That your old BFF and Nelly gave you.
I mean, my old person.
Or your old girlfriend.
And then I got
I'm
this.
kidding.
Yeah, she's totally kidding.
Oh.
And then I had this weird dumb.
It's a
ball.
bouncy ball.
It's
It
got a
bounces.
dumb ball.
They can't even see.
And I got this whistle.
You just put your mouth on that.
Yeah.
You're sweating.
And I got the spider, my favorite fidget.
That's your favorite fidget. Not even.
And then I had this Rubik's Cube ball.
Wait a minute,
I guess.
this spider is your favorite fidget?
Shut
it
up.
literally does nothing but go on pencils.
I guess. Okay. I got this Rubik's Cube thing that you would try not to solve.
But you literally try to solve it. See?
So, and then I had this dog. If you smelled it, it smells like.
Won't smell.
Then I had this rainbow squishy. And then I got this crazy cube.
It's kind of
Infinity.
infinity cube.
Correct.
And you know what they really want to see? Stop! Don't talk to me. There's a lot.
Your turn, Julie.
Okay.
Boom.
But yours, I have so many more for this thing.
So you chaos.
This is called a fidget spinner, and so it spins. Excuse me, I didn't do that to you, so you don't do it to me.
Okay.
This is a fidget spinner. And then next we got this Roblox man. That's from the Pet Show. Raise your hand if Pet Show is your second favorite Roblox.
TikToker.
I don't even do TikTok. And this is called a
Yes, you
sandwich.
did. You did a TikTok video. Okay, let's get back to work.
I never did that.
Okay, I'll show you proof. Just come on.
Okay. So this is called a sand thing. I mean, no, it's called a sand mold when you put sand in it and it shakes. And then this is the stretchy thing in the unicorn.
It's a scratchy unicorn.
Shut up now.
Not.
Okay, so this is a puppet bracelet. It pops and it's also a bracelet.
Not really.
Yes, really. Yes.
Julie, you also did steal that from me. Wait, no, I didn't.
No.
Yeah, I'd show you
You
that.
didn't even steal I didn't even steal the skateboard. Nah, you gave it to me. Kidding.
Just hurry up. Julie, just hurry up. Okay, yeah.
So you can
And
wear
this
it.
is a puppet fidget spinner.
But stop now. Okay, this is a puppet
Oh my
spinner. It
God.
spins and it also pops. Okay, and then next, this is a Barbie headband. I know it's not a fidget, but it was just in there for some reason. And I don't think it's a fidget. I just put random things in here sometimes. And then this is I forgot what they're called, but like you can build things with them. And I built this.
Julie,
I think it's so cool. I'm kidding. It's not cool.
Julie.
And then this is
Julie!
another puppet finish spindle.
This thing is called a number block.
No, it's not.
It's
Now,
called
give
an
it.
infinity block.
No, it's not. Okay, and this is a puppet.
monkey noodle.
Pops.
It's a monkey
Give it.
noodle.
I was not done yet. See, pops.
Oh,
It's
I also
it's
have,
a blue circle puppet.
Okay.
They don't want to know your trash.
and I also have this
They
fidget
don't want to know. That's a bracelet. That's dumb.
that I gave to you. Then I get it back.
But it was in my room because you put it in my room.
It's in your room because you put it.
You put it in my room because you were hanging out
Right.
there for some
Okay,
reason.
let's get on then.
It popped. And this is a monkey noodle. It's stretchy. This is Legos. This is like a fidget from like a fidget.
It's from Walmart and Target.
Shut up, man. So this is like
No,
a
it
fidget
is.
set when you can make your own fidget. And this is from one of those, and these are like volleyballs. This is a thing that my brother made on a 3D printer. And like you push it down and it goes.
That's mine also.
I got it from fidget trading, man. So it looks not like that. I was broken though because I'm some guy. This is my puppet purse. It's a unicorn and it has puppets on them.
Hurry up, lady.
Satisfying. But they want to see my wonderful stuff.
Mm.
You get a wonderful stuff.
Hurry up.
This is a whatever it's called. It's
It's
like
a wacky track. How can you?
it's not a lucky track.
Okay, I'll proof on my iPad.
Nah, but we don't want to see your iPad.
It's a wacky track.
It's not a lucky track.
Okay, I got.
And so this is kind of like this, but like it's more smaller and it can like do
It
more
can
stuff.
speak.
Dude, okay. So and then this is a bullet. I know it's not a fidget, but someone put it in here. Okay, and this is also one of those make your own fidget things, and this is happy thingies. Okay, and this is a dimple. Got a dimple.
Yeah, that's a dimple.
A dimple, and it does this. I got this for Easter. Well, in first grade.
Yeah.
2 years ago, man. 2 years ago. Okay, this is also one of make your own. Stop, man! Stop! Get out of that ugly jacket and do your business. Okay, so this is make your own fidget thing. So the green ones make sound and the blue ones don't make sounds. Boy, you see how much fidget spinners left?
Baby.
This is a unicorn puppet. And
I have the same thing as hers.
yeah.
Where did it go? It's right here.
No one cares.
No one cares about you.
But Mom literally hates you.
Mom, what was me? Excuse me. What are these
Excuse-
things?
This is another puppet. It's a squirrel puppet. So satisfying. Blah. Okay, and this is a hexagon puppet. So satisfying.
Is that all you got? Silly. Racing time.
But they want to hear the satisfied.
So you cares.
Did you pull my hair down?
You cares about your puppet.
No one cares about your life. Ooh.
What?
No one cares about
Bennett,
Bennett, don't you have a girlfriend named Cora?
Yeah, Cora.
Cora's your girlfriend?
Yeah, she's my friend girl.
Oh, you have a girlfriend?
No, she's just a best friend girl.
Oh, so you have your best friend is a girl?
Mhm.
I'm telling like Triton and everybody.
He's my cutest best friend.
But you're only. Who's your second cutest?
Don Luke.
Oh yeah. Okay, who's your third cutest?
What? Why would you be
Cute.
my friend?
Cute.
No,
Okay,
I already
this
have Don Luke and Triton.
You don't.
Just hurry up!
Okay, and so this is a make your own fidget kit thing, and so it's like a maze.
And who's another infinity
Hey,
cube?
excuse me. This is a Hulk fidget, and so it pops. So
I know.
satisfying.
I fidget. Fidget traded that.
No,
Yay!
I had it all my life.
Probably.
Okay, this is some foam, and so my
That
brother.
I made her.
Well, like it's binoculars, but they look really ugly, and they don't even work. And so it's foam. It's like I put it in here because like it's foam, it's squishy. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is like I forgot the name, but like it has different motions. See.
What? Okay, that's it. Come on. Need you more?
This is another bullet.
Yeah.
This is a fidget spinner.
Talk some more.
Shush.
You shush.
Okay, this is a unicorn puppet. So satisfying.
That's just the bigger version of mine.
I know it's way bigger.
No, it's
So this is a skateboard.
technically hobble skate.
It skates.
But mine's better.
But mine's better.
Mine's bigger.
It has a cooler set. Cool.
It doesn't have any special details.
Yeah, it does.
No, like. Just hurry up! We don't care about sliding board.
Okay, and then
Right,
this is another. I know I have three. Another fidget spinner puppet. Okay, and then this is another Lego. And then these are what are they called again?
Squishy emojis.
Okay, these are squishy emojis, and so like they're squishy, and like this one's a chicken, so adorable. This is the burn bunny. It's not even adorable, but that's what my bubble sounds like. This is a affinity cube.
We both have one.
Get out of my screen time.
Two, we have 2 more. Hurry up. But
Okay.
one of them is actually food. Okay.
It's not food. He's kidding. Okay.
Yeah, it's a dessert.
No, it's not a dessert. He's kidding.
Yes, it
okay,
is.
so this is a keychain pop.
No, it's Oreo.
No, they're not Oreos. So this
Yeah,
is a
they
pop.
are.
And so, here are some delicious Oreos that no one can find. And they'll crumble. They'll crumble. They'll crumble. I just like to keep it in here to find, like, so I can push things.
It's like squishy, but crumbles.
And
But, okay. Anything else you need to do? Wait, I did tell everybody at the end of the video that I will. Guys, you remember when I said that I will show you my kit where I made this?
no, when
It's this.
But
Now get out of my way. Good.
Okay, so now, bye, Bennett. You're cleaning up this mess. I'm kidding. Thank you. Okay, I'm putting it in my room at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I'll open the stand.
No, if you do, you're cleaning it up, boy.
Julie, you do this. Julie, it's your mess, and I picked up my own.
Fine. I have 36 fidgets, and you only have 19.
Yeah, right. Julie, we probably can get to 10 subscribers. Because look, we have 21 minutes in.
Cool. I want to get into like 1 hour.
Okay, bye.
Nah.
Merry
Don't
Christmas.
Don't shut the video. Merry Christmas for all, and don't worry about him. I know I'm better.
Shut up. Have Merry Christmas, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Little